Now I'm going to talk about how to print a document from Microsoft Word. If you're on the desktop version, you're going to go up to the top left and click on File, and then you're going to click on Print, and you can click right here where it asks you the printer. You can click the downward arrow, and you can scroll up and down and find the printer that you need, that's in the room you need to print from. You can also print, you can choose if you want to print the whole thing, just a current page, or you can custom print. Maybe you just want pages 1, 2, and 6, or you can print, I want 1 through 4. You can also sometimes pick if you want it to print on both sides. That's an option. And once you've done that, you'll just click print. The way you click if you're in Office 365 is you will go to File and Print, and then it says Print this document, and then it will come up with a separate tab here, and you'll do the same thing. You could pick which printer you want to use, which pages. This will say Custom, and you can put whatever pages, how many copies you want, and then you will just click Print, and that's how you do it.